Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials installed and verified. This is not optional. Install Visual Studio Code and a C compiler, GCC on Linux or MinGW on Windows, or enable WSL. Once done, add the compiler to your path, then open a terminal and run GCC version to confirm. Next, install the Microsoft C/C++ extension and code runner to speed up testing. These steps let the editor understand code and let you compile without leaving VSCode, so set them up now. Open your project folder in VSCode and create a C file with a simple main to test. Then, configure tasks. JSON that runs GCC $go file base name no extension $file so you can build with run task. For debugging, create launch. JSON using the C++, gdb/LLDB, template, map program, CWD, and args. Make sure include path and compiler path in C CPP properties. JSON point to your headers and compiler. Once configured, building and stepping through code becomes fast and repeatable. Run compiled binaries from the integrated terminal or use code runner for quick checks. Press F5 to start a debug session and set breakpoints to inspect variables. If the build fails, read errors. Missing headers need include paths, linker errors need correct flags, recompile with wall to reveal warnings. If debugging fails, make sure your path matches the selected compiler path and that you're not mixing 32-bit and 64-bit toolchains. One key tip: verify the terminal shell runs the same environment as VS Code to avoid path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.